In this video, I'm going to show you how to add icons in Elementor. Once you're on your Elementor website, begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard and opening the page in Elementor where you want to add icons. There are several ways to insert icons depending on what element you are working with. For example, if you want to add an icon to a button, simply click on that button. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see an option for icons. In front of this, you'll notice the Icon Library option. Click on it, choose any icon from the library, and then insert it. The selected icon will immediately appear inside your button. If you decide to remove it, you can also do that from the same panel on the left side of your screen. If you want to place a separate icon anywhere on your website, you can do that as well. First, make some space where you want the icon to appear. Then, from the left-hand side panel, type icon in the search bar, and you will see different icon elements appear. For example, if you want to add your social media icons, you can drag and drop the social icons element onto your page. Once you do this, the icons will appear. To add more, click on Add Item in the left-hand menu. From here, you can select any social media platform, add its icon, and even embed its specific logo. You can also paste your link so that when someone clicks on the social media icon, they are taken directly to that link. In addition to this, you can also switch to Style section in order to have the ability to adjust settings, such as the spacing between icons or their size. Now, if instead of social media icons you want to add simple individual icons, search for Icon again in the panel, and you can drag and drop the icon element wherever you need it. Other than that, you can also create a grid layout on your page and place the icon inside one of the grid boxes, allowing you to position it exactly where you want. Once added, you can also adjust size of the grid box. Moreover, you can also assign a link so that clicking the icon will take visitors to another page. From the Icon Settings panel, you can also access the icon library and search for a logo or symbol that fits your needs and select it. In the Style section, you can further customize its appearance by changing its size, alignment, and color. Additionally, if you want to add other content to other grid boxes alongside your icons, you can do that as well. This flexibility allows you to customize your layout while maintaining control over how your icons look and function. And this is how you can add icons in Elementor.